Geneva Conventions. The Geneva Conventions are a body of international diplomatic treaties and protocols that establish the core legal standards for humanitarian treatment during armed conflicts. They are also known as the International Law of Armed Conflict, or International Humanitarian Law, and they have been ratified by nearly every nation around the globe, including the US, the UK, Australia, and European member states. Drafted extensively following the Second World War, these four foundational treaties establish protections for individuals who are not actively participating in hostilities. What vital humanitarian protections do these universal treaties enforce on the battlefield? First, they mandate the humane treatment of wounded and sick soldiers, medical personnel, and prisoners of war, strictly prohibiting torture and extrajudicial executions. Second, they provide robust safeguards for civilian populations trapped in occupied territories or war zones. In domestic common law jurisdictions, these treaties are incorporated into military codes and criminal justice frameworks. Violations of these universal standards constitute grave breaches of international law. This allows national courts and international tribunals to prosecute offending military commanders and political leaders for war crimes, regardless of where the atrocities were committed. For example, imagine an ongoing international armed conflict, where military forces capture several enemy combatants during a fierce tactical battle. Instead of transferring the captured soldiers to a secure prisoner of war facility with adequate food and medical care, the commanding officer orders them interrogated under physical torture to extract intelligence about troop movements. Following the cessation of hostilities, an international military tribunal investigates the incident. Relying on the conventions, the prosecutors charge the commanding officer with grave humanitarian breaches, securing a conviction and lengthy imprisonment for committing systematic war crimes against protected prisoners.